10,000 tick trap. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just in Dublin in Aventa. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. Yesterday was just absolutely crazy. I'll tell you right now. Absolutely insane yesterday. Pandas. I'm Baba Money. Thanks for joining, everyone. We stream here live every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for joining. Pandas. Pandas. If you didn't know, we had news yesterday or this morning at 8:30, which caused this big spike up and this big move down, which is happening right now. It was the GDP unemployment news. I guess. I guess it's unemployment claims. The job market is strong, which means that everyone thinks that the Fed may just stay at their current interest rates and not lower it. I mean, there's no reason for them to lower it when the job market is strong, unemployment claims are low. Daily chart, it's just another leg down from this big move down. You're looking for follow through. You're looking most likely to look for a new low, and I don't know if a two-legged pullback is going to happen here or not, but probably targeting this new low here. The weekly chart as well, it's just creating an inside bar on the weekly, three strong bear bars. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna wait for the market open before I take a trade though. Wait for the market open, take a trade. We're gonna have a huge gap on the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart is gonna have a huge gap from here to, believe it or not, right now the market is like down here. Like we're gonna open where this blue line is. Essentially, we're gonna have a huge gap on the 5-minute charts. It's gonna be insane. Lee A, good morning. Lou, good morning. Hugh, good morning. Blacklight, morning pans. Jack Stevansky. Oh my gosh, this guy just came in and just did it. The worst that you could possibly do. Goodness gracious. Goodbye. Who does that? Who does that? That's just insane. Jeff, good morning. Gio, good morning. Sleepy Joe, good morning. Free paper cuts, good morning. First thing he does is just straight up, what is it called? When you promote something else. I got a second entry short forming here. Skipping it though. We got 3 second entry shorts that work out. This actually has a pretty strong bull move back above, most likely looking for a new high of some sort. Decent looking signal bar right now, forming. Like I said, I'm just gonna wait till market opens. Good morning, guys.
10,000 tick trap.
Good morning. Well, good morning. He shilled. That's what it was. He just entered the channel and just shilled. Shilling. I forgot the word, pandas. I forgot the word. Panda, do you work from home? I do. I do work from home. Nature of the business, you know what I mean? It made trap here. 4 minutes to open. News already happened. We do have news later today at 10 a.m. Pending home sales. Typically doesn't really move the markets that much, but it's listed here as high impact, so we're gonna pay attention to it. And tomorrow, pandas, if you want a day where you can, if you want a news event that can make or break your accounts tomorrow, the core PCE, that is the news 8:30 a.m. I'll say please be aware. Mark your calendars. You can get easily funded with that news, I think. Volume low. Like volume low. Let me know if there's an issue. Check, 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 check. So you think Apex was 90%? I don't know. Last time they said like it'll be a while until they do 90% again was like 3 months. So if that's the case, you know, maybe another 3 months, so July-ish, maybe June-ish. It's hard to say, pandas. I don't know. If I knew, I probably couldn't tell you if I knew. But you know, I don't know. I know as much as you right now, unfortunately. It'll be random. Let's just say that it'll be really random if they just did it. I would say like a big holiday. The next big one is probably July 4th. But I mean, Memorial Day obviously is big as well. Just not sure if it's big enough. Good skip on that second entry short. New highs created. Now you can go short again. But you want one more leg up, possibly here. You should 2 legs up. Double trap. Mother's Day coming soon. I mean, the greatest gift you can give your mom is code BBM for 80% off Apex evals. I mean, is there a better gift? I don't think so. Just write in your card to your mom. Love you, mom. Here's a code BBM.
10,000 tick trap.
You're welcome. That's basically your Mother's Day card right there. All right. We're gonna have a huge gap. Market's about to open in 15 seconds. Let's do a countdown. Pandas, do a countdown with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. All right,
5 minute
Panda's
trap.
market opens. Okay, push down. Push down. Push up. Lower high. Possibly. Possibly. Lower high setup. Decent setup. Ooh, went sideways. Whoa, pop up. Big pop up. Big pop up. Bad signal bar. Not looking to go short right
10,000 tick
now.
trap.
So I get you short on the higher time frames. I gave it to her, she slapped me. I just made you a little bit stronger. You're welcome.
10,000
Trap trade here to go long. Do I like it? I don't know. Well, definitely not now. Jeez, what in the world? Completely sideways right now. Huh. Just chilling here, pandas. Just chilling here. Hmm. 10,000 tick does trigger the second entry short. Unfortunately, it is an ugly looking signal bar and really far away from 20 MA, but it is a second entry short on this in this downtrend. Let's get to the bottom of the trading range on the trading range indicator on the 2000 tick chart. No setups for us yet, pandas. Just be patient. Just be patient, pandas. Just be patient. Strong bear bar ending near its low on the 10,000 tick. Lower high may be a good setup here. Lower high may be a good setup here to break through, make a new low from this low. Lower high does trigger. Could be a good setup. Could be a really good setup. Risk is lowered. Tick shots you in, almost takes you out immediately. Oof. Micro double top. Still a little bit shaky. Multiple dojis. 3 dojis in a row. Okay, makes that new low. Curious. Very curious now to see what's going to happen here. I would consider maybe going short if we trigger this second entry long. Ooh, let's trigger second entry long. I'll attempt it here. Let's see what happens. I'll attempt something here. Let's see what happens.
$10,000 tick trap.
In this trade. 5-minute candle printing a strong bear bar, ending on its low. Looking for some follow through here. Right, the 5-minute chart printing strong bear candle, ending on its low. Looking for some follow through. If we can get it, we shall see. Maybe not. Maybe no follow through whatsoever on that 5-minute candle. Very rarely do I see follow through on a strong candle on the 5-minute chart. It's very rare. This didn't get me here, looks like. Unfortunately, we got that nice strong bear candle on the 5-minute chart. That's why I decided to hold it. Ended up getting hit, right? We had the strong bear candle on the 5-minute chart. That's why I decided to hold it, thinking we can get another push down. But instead, it just does a limit order reversal. Unfortunate for me. That's why I decided to hold it. I decided to hold it for more because I saw the strong bear candle. I thought we had some follow through. But no follow through, just absolutely reverses on me. And rips my face off. It is what it is, pandas.
10,000 tick trap.
I don't think it was a bad hold. I think it was worth the holding there. I don't think it was a bad hold. It's kind of going down now again. Like, maybe there's follow through. Just needed like a deep retracement before. Like, I could have put my stop loss up here to like have a really proper stop loss swing trade. But that's a lot of risk. It's a lot of risk for me. I'd rather just take the hit on 1, 2, 3. 3-point risk. It's okay. Comes all the way back down again now after it takes me out. It is what it is, pandas. We do have news at 10 o'clock, so we could chop around till then. It's just unfortunate, right? Enter here. I mean, I take my 3-point stop loss. Take the hit. Move on. We could develop a second entry short here now. YL says, so GDP lower than expected for first quarter. Shouldn't this help with the lower interest rate decision? Unemployment claims were low. There are two things that the Fed looks at: inflation and job market. Those are the two main factors they look at when they're considering their interest rates. Job market strong, no reason to lower interest rates. Second interest short here. I don't know what to make of this. I really just don't know what to make of this.
10,000 tick trap.
Second interest short triggers. Just, it is what it is. It's inside right creating triangle. Looks like looks bearish. I just don't like the fact that the moment we closed on that 5-minute, we had absolutely no follow through and printed this kind of bar. So I'm just sitting on my pause here, waiting, thinking that this might get a little choppy here. Avalon says, and you don't have problems with indicators not working randomly. My OHLC weekly isn't showing up. Huh. They are low because they're being very strict with unemployment. Ooh, interesting. Didn't know that. That's news to me. I guess, pandas. I guess we can try. I guess we can try here. Second just short confirmation, I guess, lower high. Jeez, keeps ripping my face off. Very interesting. This would be the proper swing trade here, which means a 1-to-1 would be like this. Jeez, all right. Let's want to go double here.
$10,000 tick trap.
Pushes down again. Pushes back up. Having a hard time breaking above the 20 EMA here. Keeps like getting knocked down by it. Makes me feel confident we're going to go lower, but not sure. Inside bar created on the 10,000 tick. Maybe I'll take it on the inside bar, 10,000 tick chart. It's, again, about 3-point risk, less than 3-point risk. This will trigger the inside bar on the 10,000 tick, so I'm going to get out on this setup. Pushes down hard again here. What's happening here, pandas? I have no clue. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 hits all in the same spot, essentially. That's pretty rough. That's pretty rough price action here. All right, looks like I made a decision to go back up. It's all good. I thought it was worth it. I thought it was worth it. Had a lot of pressure pushing down. And that stop loss was basically the 10,000 tick inside bar here triggering, so I didn't want to stay in and wait to find out. So I thought it was worth it, pandas. I don't know. Lots of chop. Lots of back and forth. It was 50-50 in my opinion right there. This could reverse strong now. It kind of like made its decision, I think. Like it had a chance to break down, and it failed to do so. So this may be like a big reversal here. I don't know, pandas. I'm trying my best. Daniel says, "Can you share your workspace and template?" You can pretty much go to my channel and just do Ninja Trader setup, and then just set it up the same way. Are we in like a limit order market? Perhaps. I thought we had a decent chance to really push down there, but we didn't. It's reversing now. Question is, are we in a trading range? We're getting knocked here now. So, I mean, it just looks like a trading range. I don't know. Difficult to go long here if there's a second entry long. The inside bar trade ends up working out, I think. Right. The one-to-one is made an inside bar trade. 10,000 tick chart. Okay. Micro triple bottom. Oh, I have no idea. I have no idea what's happening, Pandas. Second entry long, maybe forming here. Who knows? 10,000 tick chart. Has a target of the 20 EMA, perhaps. I don't think I'm going to go long here. Okay. Inside bar. 10,000 tick chart breaks to the downside now. Whoa, second entry long forming here. It's like it's very doji like bars here. I have no clue what's happening, Pandas. I'm guessing this one's one more leg up, but I don't know. Vegas futures. Good morning, Pandas. Welcome back. Straight up limit order market on the 5-minute chart right now. We're just like completely 4 overlapping bars in a row. I might as well just go long here. I might as well. Jeez Louise. Strong bear bar ending on his low 10,000 tick chart. I don't know. Inside bar works out again. 10,000 tick chart. Right, you got inside bar trade here. It works out again. Perfectly. Trap trade triggers. 2,000 tick. Do I like it? Not really. I feel like we're in a trading range, so We did have news at 10 o'clock. We could be waiting for that. It's like new home sales or something like that. Revised? No. Pending home sales. How impactful will that be? I don't think it's going to be that impactful, but we may see a little volatility. Good skip on that trap. Could have just bought with limit orders at the bottom here, and I would have been fine. Okay, completely overlapping bars here, pushing down again. 6 overlapping bars in a row, like almost perfectly overlapping. Okay, pushing down now. Still too overlapping for me. Hard to tell. It's beneath the 20 MA, which gives it some bearish feel, some bearish sentiment. There's a quad bottom here, pandas. Just notice on the 10,000 tick chart how this is a quad bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. It's a quad bottom. We do break beneath it. We could be breaking down now. I don't know. We could go back up, back into the trading range. Almost just want to go long here, see what happens. Second inch short. Would you prefer two 24-inch monitors that are stacked on top of each other or one 49-inch ultra wide? Ooh, age-old question. Get all of them. Get two 49-inch monitors stacked on top of each other. If you have the Samsung Odyssey ultra wide, like the super curve, then it's actually, you can see everything. You don't have to move anywhere. It's completely sideways right now. I don't know what to do. I know exactly what to do. Sit on your paws, but I don't know which direction it's gonna go. I'm using like a 49-inch right now. It's pretty good. I like it a lot, actually. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Got about like 7 overlapping bars in a row. Pushing to the downside. Yeah. You don't need to set that far back. It's actually really nice because of the curve being so curvy. I don't know. Uh, your eyes are the same distance from every part of the monitor. That makes sense. Some ultra wides are like kind of flat, and like when you look at the end of the monitor, it's like the angle is not as steep, so it's a little bit further. But with the super curve screen, the basically every point on the monitor is the same distance for your eyes, which is nice. This is another push down. I mean, it could just be bearish right now. Just be insanely bearish. But super choppy. No good setups, at least. Again, news at 10. I like it. I think the newer models are better. They're thinner. I got like a slightly older, not slightly older, but I mean, I got this like when I first started streaming, so it's like it's a little bit older. But the newer ones are thinner and I think like lighter and just better. Apparently, there's some like engineering feats that they had to do to get this monitor to work as it is. Use that GPU. I guess, yeah. I guess it's more pixels, so it has to pump more pixels out. I'm waiting for NT to partner with Neuralink. Bill7, welcome. We're a little bit of pain here because the market is so tricky right now. It's very confusing. I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of overlap, lots of nothing happening here. Neuralink. I'm still confused at what it really does. What does it do?
1,000 tick trap.
Like, what is happening? Like, what does it actually do? I know it like connects to your brain. I believe it has input and output, which is crazy, right? Like input's one thing, like reading all the signals from your brain, but output, like feeding signals into your brain, that's pretty crazy. Is it basically like precursor to the Matrix where they like plug something to your brain and make you like basically hallucinate, like alternate reality type thing, brain in a vat type situation? I mean, it helped this guy play Mario Kart, so I mean, it must be good, right? It must be worth it. If it helps you play Mario Kart, then I mean, maybe I need it, even though I don't have any like. That guy's like a quadriplegic, like the first person that ever used it, and he can actually play Mario Kart now without assistance. And it's like the greatest thing ever. The interview is kind of cool because the guy's so chill. The guy's like really chill. He like can't move any of his body, but he's just a dude that just wants to drink beer and play Mario Kart. Yeah, I thought it was kind of. It just made you like really relate, I guess, because it's just it's just like you know. Big push down here. All right, news just dropped. I didn't think it was gonna do much, which it's not. I don't know what to make of this, Pandas. We probably need one more push down. I don't know. All I know is I don't have a setup. I should be coming with limit orders, huh? I should just be selling with limit orders.
10,000 tick trap.
This morning I saw Amazon folds over to 224 inches. Huh. Sounds a little like a hassle. Okay, we're pushing down, pandas. I don't know. I'm gonna start buying and selling limit order soon, pandas. I'm sick and tired of this. Check this out. Limit order trading. Have you ever seen such amazing limit order trading? Risk 2 to gain 2. It's pure limit order trading because we're in a pure limit order market. I'm too scared. Don't do it. Don't you dare. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's what I... No, don't do it. No! Limit order market trading sucks, pandas. Sucks. Whoa! No way. How does it always know? How does it always know, pandas? That's incredible! Jerome! Jerome! Where are you? I know you're watching. How does it always know? Alright, we'll try it again. Go long the next break of the previous candle's low. I believe, pandas. I believe. Wait, what in the world was that? I'm gonna have to manually close this one, I guess. I made money, pandas! I made money! I made bamboo! I finally made money. It's been like a 7 trading losing streak. And I finally made money, pandas, on the most random limit order trade you could possibly imagine. I did it! I did it, pandas! I did it! I hate this market. I hate this market. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I'm literally going to limit order market. I lost 2 points here, but I gained 2 points and 1 quarter. Oh, I could have really held this, huh? I could have held it, but you know what? I don't know. Just let's just enter a good setup. Big pop up. Did I almost time that perfectly? That reversal? Did I almost time that perfectly? High or low? I'll take a fail second entry short here. I'll do it. I'll do it.
$10,000 tick trap.
Doesn't quite trigger our second pullback, so let's just go without us. I'll give it a shot, pandas. I'll give it a shot. Sure might as well give it a shot, pandas. I think it's good. I'll do one. If you want to do a proper swing trade, you can do like a 1-to-1 with a big risk like this. It's a nice looking setup. It's a beautiful looking trap trade. It's like textbook trap trade here. Textbook trap trade. Textbook trap failure. Textbook double trap. Really nice, right, trigger bar or entry bar. I'm looking for 5 points here. See if we can get it. I'm looking for 5 points unless we have to use more drawdown. Then I'm going to do an actual risk or we get stopped out, one or the other. I'm only trading one contract, so it's not too bad. I really don't want to take this much risk. This is just the maximum risk I'm planning to take. I'm going to move it here because now if we break this, we trigger the trap on the 5-minute chart. So I don't want to stay around if we trigger the trap on the 5-minute. Get another push up here. It's a fourth push up here. Really don't want to see the trap trigger on the 5-minute chart. If it does, I think my premise is wrong. This is requiring some serious cojones juice right now. Some cojones juice. Give me a nice second entry long here. Okay, now the outside bar reversal. Don't like that. Looking for 5 points here. Miss it by one. Pandas. 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 If this happens again. If this happens again today. Oh boy, pandas. I may turn into a black bear. I might just change my species. Pandas. Whoo! It wasn't easy, pandas. But we did it. We did it. Whoo! Goodness gracious, pandas. I mean, trading is fun. Trading is just so fun. It's the funnest thing. It's the funnest thing you could possibly imagine, pandas. It's the funnest thing you can do. I'll take my 5 points. The reason why I'm taking 5 points here is because I took very little risk. I took very little actual risk on that trade. So I figure 5 points is very good. It just guarantees your 5 points. $250. I'm almost back back break even though. I mean, I took a couple bad hits earlier on. Okay, really pushing up now. This may be a big reversal here. I've ever did basically like a small trailing stop loss. While I was asking Panda, have you ever tried instead of taking a hard take profit, you move your stop loss to one point below where you take profit and try to let it run? I haven't done 1 point. One for the Emini. I think 1 point's too little. 1 point's too little. Like it just barely. It just won't work out very often. Right? If I did 1 point here, I would have just lost 1 point. You got to really consider, like, in the long run, how many points do you lose by doing that, where you could have gained that 1 point, and consider the probabilities there. And I figured that, let's just say, like, out of 10 times, let's just say, like, 10 times you do it, you fail, right? Like, basically, you could have gained one more extra point, but because you put a small trailing stop loss at 1 point, you couldn't get the extra point. And at 1 out of every 10 times, that means that at one time, you have to make 10 points before you have a 1 point drawdown. And I just think it's very, very small. Very small. I've done it before with, like, price action. I just put it beneath the previous pivot low. But right now I just want some wins. I need some confidence, pandas. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've had like 7 losses in a row. This is the first time I got 2 wins in a row in a long time. So I'm just trying to get back into the groove of things. Just trying to get back into reading the price action correctly. I was just very confused yesterday. I was dizzy. I'll tell you that much. And even today, took a couple hits. How exactly how to take profit? That's a little bit confusing because when do you move it to the take profit? When do you move it? After it's like 2 points above? Then you're risking that 2 points that you could have gained. I can't tell you how many times I've made money exactly at take profit and it reverses. It happens a lot actually, much more than you think. So, Angel says, does this strategy have a good profit factor? Amazing profit factor. We're up $1,877. Of course it's good. That's why runners are nice. That's why runners are really nice. Runners are probably the best way you can take advantage of big swings because you can take profits along the way. And so I think I could have made my 1-to-1 on that trade actually. I entered here. My stop loss would have been down here. Ooh, actually we haven't made it yet, but it's getting very close to getting the 1-to-1 here. The main reason why I didn't want to hold into that because we were hitting our heads right on the 20 MA on the 10,000 tick chart. So I was a little bit worried. It could just be an uptrend now, for all I know. Just be a straight up uptrend. Hits the 1-to-1, pandas. It just hit the 1-to-1. That means if I just had diamond cojones, I could have held this 1-to-1 and we would have been completely fine. Hits the 1-to-1 perfectly here. Instead, I got 5 points. Again, the reason why I got 5 points is because how quickly I got my profit. Okay, it's unstoppable uptrend. It's like always in long right now. I mean, we're hitting our heads right. We're basically right back at the top of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. We kind of dipped beneath or below. Let's get mix those two words up. And then now we're back to here. But we got just strong bull bars right now, pandas. And look how far away we are from 20 MA. Like, we want to come back to the 20 MA eventually. I haven't seen Kyle L in a while. I wonder what he's been up to. %36% of you guys said you traded poorly yesterday. I think you're in good company, honestly. Yesterday was very difficult. No entries along this way all the way up. Other than this outside bar reversal, which I wasn't planning to take. No siree. Huh. I mean, I guess I'm... Eighth push up in a row here. Always in long on the 5-minute chart, perhaps. You know me, you know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for my two-leggy. I'm looking for my two-leggy. Give me my two-leggy. Two-leggy pullback. Here we go. Give me a nice signal bar now. Give me back down to support here. Okay, I'll try. Possibly small risk floating in midair. I like it perfectly to hit the 20 MA. We do got a trend line here that we can work with. Oh, please don't give me outside bar reversal. Now the risk is quite large. You see how big the risk is now on this trade? Making it much more difficult. No, the signal bar is terrible. This is a terrible signal bar. All things considered, it's tough to take this trade now. Right, we got 3 dojis in a row. Looks like it might go into some chop here. I don't know. It's like a C plus setup in my opinion. Inside bar. I'd love to break to the downside before I break to the upside. I'd love to break to the downside before I break to the upside. Guess it's not happening. It's true. The risk is much smaller now because we have that inside bar set up. Let's see if we can make anything out of this. That's the second entry long. It's not looking good, pandas. I think I entered at the wrong time. The wrong place at the wrong... Psych? Psych is looking good now. Excellent trade. 10 out of 10. That's definitely like a A plus type setup. Definitely like an A plus setup. What's happening? Why is it doing this? Why is it giving me a doji here? Whoa. Wow. Terrible. I don't know if I want to stay in for another pullback here. I don't think I want to stay in for another pullback. It's actually terrible right now. What in the world is happening? Goodness gracious. Wow, inside bar. What is this, man? This is insane. This is actually insane. Let's just get out purely on the fact, based on the fact that this is just too choppy. Psych! Easiest trade of my life. Zero concerns. I don't know if I want to hold on to this. It's just 3 points. It's just 3 points, pandas. It's just 3 points. Calm down. It's just 3 points, pandas. We can handle it. We can do it.
Target filled.
I'm skunking it, pandas. I'm tired, sick and tired of this. I'm sick and tired of it. Just get me out of this trade. It's like 5,000 candles long. Super choppy. Pandas, I should have stayed in. What was I thinking? I should have stayed in just for 3 points risk. It's okay. It's just crazy, pandas. This is too choppy. I don't know what to do here. My parents went to realtor to sell a house today, and pending home sales went up 2x. Nice. Nice, nice. Hopefully we can just drive the prices of houses down. Jeez. They're just too expensive nowadays. It's gonna catch up, right? It took about like 2 years to catch up, but It finally is catching up. People are realizing houses are just too expensive. Like, how can we afford these? Like, inflation is too much. My wages cannot keep up with the price of these houses. Like, it's just a matter of time. Like, who can actually afford these houses at this point? Okay, look at how many overlapping bars there are. You just cannot trade this. You gotta look at the higher time frames at this point. To get an average house, your salary needs to be 144,000. Whew. Yeah, that's not the average American. I'll tell you that much. I mean, maybe joint household income could be that much. I could see that. Well, why do you regret using static? This honestly looks like what happened down here, or wherever I was in the trade and lost it. Right here, it honestly looks like this, which means it's gonna reverse down and pop up after it reverses down a little bit. Or not. Just pops up. Jeez, I mean, I skunked this trade like 5 candles ago. And it's still like, it hasn't hit my target of 3 points. If I hit it right now. I guess I could have held it, Panda. I don't know. Does anyone know where I can change the target fill zone? Yeah. I know where it is. I'm not telling you, though. Why would I tell you that? Actually, I heard, though, the target filled sound actually came back for me, even though I don't have it. You can disable it by going to tools, options, and then I think general. Yeah, general, scroll down. That's where it typically is. But my target fill sound is still here. I think it has to do something with Replicanto, but I don't know. I don't know why it says it. I don't know why it speaks to me. This is not a fun market to trade. I'll tell you that much. Average price in Milan is 5,400. Is that a lot? That doesn't sound like that much. What is happening? Fat fish. Why do you always talk to just some guy? Why are you always just talking to some guy? Oh, 5,400 is €500,000. I didn't know that. I didn't know what that was. I didn't know what that meant. I mean, yeah. If you say it that way, I didn't know what 5,400 MQ. I didn't know that. I didn't know what that meant. But now it seems like it means it's 500,000, which is like it sounds like a lot. I mean, the houses here are also very expensive. Probably close to that, or probably more than that, actually. It depends on where you live, though. I mean, the U.S. is a big country, so. Square meter 5400. Oh, okay. I didn't know that's how you guys measured your house prices. We usually just measure house prices. I mean, that makes sense to measure your house price by square meter, so you can scale up and down. But we usually just talk about like just a straight up price of the whole house. Pushing up, but pandas, I got nothing here. I got no setups. It's so choppy. It's so ugly. I'm not taking a trade here. I need to limit order market. And the range is like 2 points large. I just can't trade this. Big push down. Big push down. Trading range, 5 minute chart, trading range indicator gave us a trading range here. Pretty accurate, if I say so myself right now. Expanding pattern, right? Really, it's just a trading range. Lower high, higher low. Or lower low, higher high. Second inch is short. I'll try. I'll try. Think we got breaker trend to new high here already. I'll try. Who knows? Second inch is short. Big push down. Let's see if we get our second pullback is a question. Let's see what we got. Okay. Looks like the 10,000 tick chart wasn't another leg up here. Looks quite bullish on a 10,000 tick, if I say so myself. Huh. 10,000 tick looks a little bullish to me. Right, 10,000 tick, nice bull bar off the 20 MA. Hasn't quite touched the top of the trading range either. I'll give it a shot. Second entry short. I don't like it though, pandas. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'll tell you that much. I don't like it. I don't like it. We're in. We're in, but I don't like it. I may even reverse it. It'd be great if we can break the inside bar on either the higher time frames. Inside bar 5-minute chart. Oh, we broke beneath it. I'll take it. 10,000 tick chart also broke beneath it. Looking for a 1-to-1 here. All right, I'll try wiles. I'll try to do a small stop loss. Once we hit the 1-to-1, which is right here, I'll move my stop loss 1 tick above the previous candle's high. We can do it like that. Okay. Never mind. I'm just gonna take it. Forget it. I just like the profit. Is that 3 in a row, pandas? Is that 3 wins in a row? Whoo! I'm down $8.44, pandas. $8.44. I would have guaranteed made more bamboo though at this point if I just had one tick above the previous candle's high here. I mean, it's just a big trading range, 5-minute chart, right? Expanding pattern. Almost just want to buy here. What happens if I buy here, pandas? What really happens if I just buy somewhere down here? Can someone tell me what happens if I just buy? If I just buy at the bottom of the trading range, can someone tell me what happens? Do I die? Do I explode into a million pieces? I just want to try it. I just feel like we're such a trading range right now. We're such a trading range. Okay. I guess that would have worked if I just bought at the bottom of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. Alright, 5-minute chart hitting the top, bottom of the trading range, top of the trading range, back to the bottom of the trading range. You can see the trading range indicator marking the trading range for us automatically. I did not draw these lines. These lines were drawn by the indicator. Trading range indicator. If you want more information, go out to www.twoleggedpullback.com. Pandas. What are we right now? We're like 3-3 right now, I think. Which explains why we are down $8, basically break even today. Did I build the indicator? Yes. I built it. I did it. It uses pure price action. If you go to the website, you can find more information about it and how it works. I explain it as clearly as possible how it identifies these trading ranges. Bouncing off this trend line, perhaps. Coming back to the top of the trading range now. I almost wanted to sell the top. Apex payout just hit the bank. Let's go, baby. Congratulations. All right, pandas. Hey, it's been real. We basically did a whole lot of nothing today. We did a lot, but nothing happened. Other than we got a little bit of content, I guess. But other than that, pandas, we're down $8.44. We're gonna get these accounts up to pay out soon. We need them up to around like $600. $600 more. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. 9 o'clock for a pre-market show, 9:15 for mainstream. Remember to use code BBM for 80% off. Big news tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Please mark your calendars. Please be aware of it. And also, if you want to boom or bust your accounts, that's a perfect time to do it, I think. Tomorrow is the big news day for PCE numbers. But pandas, thanks for joining, everyone. Trade safe. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.
10,000 tick trap.